Hi everyone, these days AI is on everyone's mind, but what's really important is knowing what employers are actually looking for in this AI-driven job market. According to the recent World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs Report 2025, companies are facing barriers to organizational transformation, and as you can see at number 1 is the skills gap in the labour market at 63%. So in this video, we're going to dive into the 10 key skills that employers are actively hiring for and how you can stay competitive in this digital age. Let's start with number 1, prompt engineering. With tools like ChatGPT, Claude, image generators like Midjourney, and video generators like Runway and Kling, being able to prompt well is becoming an essential skill. You've most likely tried ChatGPT, and so you already have experience of prompt engineering. Most people use ChatGPT, especially when it comes to job search. They might just type something like, "Write me a cover letter for an administrative job," and end up with something that is quite generic. So as you can see, this is good and everything, but it's all very general. And obviously it's not specific to any role. A better approach would be to include specific details like the company name, the role you're applying for, your relevant experience, and any particular achievements you want to highlight. For example, you could prompt ChatGPT to write a cover letter for an administrative officer position in a human resources department at the University of London, and you can mention any previous experience that you've had, whether that's in human resources or in another position. That way, ChatGPT can generate a much more personalized and compelling cover letter that will stand out to employers. Skill number 2, AI augmented writing and content creation. With tools like ChatGPT, you can generate ideas, draft written content quickly, and then focus on your creativity on refining and adding your personal touch. Instead of staring at a blank page and spending hours on a draft, you can use AI to build an initial structure, rapidly revise it, and bring in your unique human voice. But writing isn't the only part of the story. Tools like Midjourney allow you to generate high-impact images from simple prompts, perfect for marketing, presentations, or social media. Skill number 3, data analysis with AI. And before you click away thinking, "I'm not a data person," stick with me. Here's the reality. Many jobs involve data, analytics, social media metrics, blah, blah, blah. Data analysis tools using AI are everywhere now. In Excel, CoPilot, and even ChatGPT can analyze data if you feed it properly formatted information. Skill number 4 is mastering Microsoft CoPilot. More and more employers are actively seeking candidates who know how to use CoPilot. So what can CoPilot actually do? Let's take Microsoft Word. CoPilot can help you draft documents from scratch and even tailor your tone for different audiences. In Excel, it can instantly generate charts, summarize trends, and answer natural language questions like, "Why did sales drop in April?" In PowerPoint, it can create slide decks from a simple prompt, giving you a polished presentation in seconds. Learning to collaborate with CoPilot is one of the fastest ways to become more efficient, more effective, and more valuable to your next employer. Now let's talk about skill number 5, automations. This is where you go from just using AI tools to building systems that let AI handle the repetitive tasks for you. Every workplace has those tasks that everyone dreads. Manually sending out weekly reports, copying data between spreadsheets, or sorting through emails. With workflow automation, you set up these processes once and then you let them run automatically. For example, with Make.com, you can create automations like this, which enable you to summarize website content and create social media posts for LinkedIn and Facebook with ChatGPT and Browse AI. Or this one, where you can translate Zoom recordings with OpenAI's Whisper, which basically is a speech-to-text, which enables transcriptions. Then we can create audio files with 11 Labs and then send them via Slack. The best part is that you don't need to be a programmer to set these automations up. Tools like Zapier, Make.com, and NAN use a drag and drop interface. This skill can really boost your value at work. Instead of just following processes, you become the one who designs them. Now, up to this point, we focused on technical and strategic skills. But here's the truth. The people who stand out most in the age of AI are the ones who bring uniquely human strengths to the table, skills that AI can't replicate. So let's take a look at the human side of AI era employability, starting with skill number 6, adaptability and lifelong learning. AI is changing how we work faster than most companies can keep up. So one of the best skills you can have isn't based in a certificate, it's adaptability. You don't need to be an expert in every AI tool. What matters is your ability to pick things up quickly. Show your adaptability through action. Experiment with an AI tool and document what you build. Even small projects demonstrate that you're not stuck in your ways, and that makes you employable. Skill number 7 is creativity and innovation. Creativity is no longer just for designers or artists. In the AI-powered workplace, it's about how you use technology to solve problems. Let's say you're in HR. You might use ChatGPT to redesign an onboarding process. Or you could map out a chatbot that handles your team's most common queries. These are creative solutions to real problems. If you can show you've taken a problem, tested a tool, and improved the outcome, that makes you very hireable. Skill number 8, critical thinking and problem solving. AI is fast, but it's not always right. That's why critical thinking is more important than ever. Employers need people who can ask, does this make sense? And is this actually useful? Imagine you're using ChatGPT to draft a customer email. The tone is off. It sounds robotic or vague. Do you hit send anyway? Or do you edit it, improve it, and make sure it reflects the company's voice? Now, skill number 9, collaboration and communication. AI can generate talking points, but you still have to lead the conversation. Collaboration is changing rapidly. Teams are now global, hybrid, and often using tools like Slack or Teams to work together. But what hasn't changed is the need for clear, human, and strategic communication. If you can communicate clearly, especially across departments, you bring real value. Skill number 10, emotional intelligence. AI can write code, summarize reports, and generate content, but it cannot understand people. It can't sense tension in a meeting, manage conflict on a team, or build genuine rapport with clients. You can. So what do employers really want? People who can work with AI and bring the human skills that machines can't replicate. It's about being adaptable, curious, and ready to grow. So pick one skill from this video and take action this week, whether that's writing better prompts or learning a new tool. If this video helped, please like it and subscribe for more practical content to future-proof your career. I'll see you in the next one.